again, over in Texas. And again, you're looking at the remnants of Tropical Depression Chantal, 12 plus inches of rain in North Carolina.
And some of that falling just a mere few hours.
Oh, man. So that's the situation there. We have meteorologist Becca Birdsall here. I popped my camera up instead of popping Becca. See, this is Monday for us. How are you doing, Becca?
I'm doing good, back after a long weekend. A lot of weather to talk about for sure.
Yeah, I mean, we're just talking about the flooding in Texas, the flooding in central North Carolina. It's just a lot, a lot to take in.
Wild weather weekend for sure. And we've got more unsettled days ahead, rinse and repeat cycle, and the potential for localized flooding too as we head later on this week.
On top of that, it's hot again. Like really hot again.
You know what? We broke our streak yesterday of our high temperatures, 90 degrees or above. We actually reached day 17. And yesterday, with our high of 86, we broke the streak. But now we're back up to 90 already. So our streak only continues out there. And we've got a hot week ahead. As we take a look from our downtown Monroe camera, courtesy of Mr. Sparky, you can see nothing but sunshine, and those temperatures are responding to that sunshine. Checking in on what is now post-tropical storm Chantal, that is bringing lots of rainfall over towards portions of Washington, D.C., up towards Baltimore, Maryland, and portions of Northern Virginia as well. Now, this is weakening out as it continues to drift up to the north, but looking back at some of the estimated rainfall totals, especially east of Charlotte, in between Greensboro, Raleigh, 10 to 12 inches of rainfall within that area. That was the area that saw that significant flooding. Over towards Southern Pines, that's 6 to 7 inches. And when we have these rain chances in the forecast over the next several days, those are going to be the areas in great concern and the greatest possibility to see flooding over the week ahead. So satellite radar, we are completely dry here in the Charlotte area. The only impact that we will see from Chantal is going to be these, alongside the Carolina coast, where we do have that moderate to high rip current risk, and that is something that will improve over the next several days. For today, rain chances are pretty low, only about a 20% chance of a shower or a storm pretty much at any point during the day. Most locations will stay dry. The much bigger weather story for today will be the heat. That 24-hour temperature change showing the story out there, anywhere from 10, 16, 17 degrees warmer than this time yesterday, especially for our most eastern counties who did get those soakers. Outside now, like I mentioned, we've already hit 90. We're up to 93 in Cheraw and Lancaster, 90 in Salisbury, and 91 over in Statesville, 82 in Boone. This is what we feel like, you guys. Feeling like 100 in Morganton, feeling like 101 in Cheraw, 95 in Charlotte, and 99 over towards Lancaster. For today, peak heat index value will be close to that triple-digit mark and will continue through the 6 o'clock hour. For tomorrow, this is where we can see that dangerous heat start to build in with those peak heat index values close to 103. And a heat advisory does get issued when those heat index values are supposed to be between 105 to 109. I don't know if the Charlotte area will be encompassed under this tomorrow, but I do think some of our counties, especially across the Carolinas, could be added to this. But a good reminder just to hydrate and definitely take care of yourself. Like I mentioned yesterday, we broke that streak of 90-degree plus days. And actually, as we look at the last 10 years, 17 days, it actually ranks in the top 3. And we are starting over completely. Today's 90-degree already. We'll already add 1 to that. And we've got several more to add, with well above average temperatures over the next several days, starting to get closer to average as we approach middle to end of the work week as rain chances increase as well. You'll notice those peak heat index values also start to feel more like the upper 90s as we approach your Thursday and Friday. Rain chances will be peaking Wednesday and Thursday, and our setup is going to be this stationary front. That's what's going to bring those rounds of showers and storms. So for today, coverage is not much. Isolated shower or storm, but most locations stay dry. Once we lose that daytime heating, rain chances fizzle out. We'll do it all again for tomorrow as well. Typical summer-like pattern. Once we get into Wednesday, though, it's looking much more active in terms of the potential of strong storms, but also just more in coverage. This is going to be more widespread, and I think this is also where we could have more of the slow-moving downpours that just rains for a period of time, and that could dump a lot of heavy downpours. So this is what I mean. Futurecast rainfall is all over the place, but where the heaviest downpour is set up, that's where I think we could pick up 1 to 3 inches of rainfall between now and Wednesday night. Again, not everybody will be seeing that. Some locations may only get a little bit of rain, but that is what we got to be on guard for as well. Got to show you the worst case scenario, which is why Wednesday we are all under that low excessive rainfall impacts for localized flooding as well. I think we'll also be encompassed under this Thursday and Friday as we continue to see those rain chances stay high as well. So 7-day forecast today, the heat, the humidity, that's going to be the big story for today. It is once again back in control, even hotter for Tuesday with those peak heat index values close to 103. Wednesday and Thursday brings the best chance for heavy rain and thunderstorms that could also lead to localized flooding. We'll carry those rain chances pretty much all the way through the end of the work week before heating right back up towards this weekend.
Ooh, we started all over again with the countdown. 17 days.
Did. You know, we were going on a long run there. So
Oh, it felt great
it
yesterday.
did. No complaints.
And then I was like, what happened?
Yeah, you know, the Charlotte area really did not have
Yeah.
any impacts from this tropical
Yeah.
storm. Much further impacts east of Charlotte for sure.
Yeah, I was in the High Point, Greensboro area yesterday, so I started
Okay.
seeing some of that. They got mostly light rain, nothing terribly heavy from when I was there yesterday
Yes.
afternoon, evening. But yeah, it definitely coming back to Charlotte. I'm like, man, if this can stay like this for the rest of the summer, I know that's not realistic. I would be fine, but again, it's not realistic.
Was it a Nick pick? Was yesterday?
Yesterday
a
was
Nick pick?
definitely for Charlotte
For
for Charlotte a Nick pick. Today, you know what? Let's make it a pick. Let's make it a pick. Let's make it a pick. I got peer
Lock it in.
I got peer pressure by
You got
Carlene.
3 eyes staring at you.
It really isn't that bad. It's warmer than yesterday.
Sounds like peer pressure to me.
Lots of sun, you know.
Becca, thank you for your time.
Of course.
All right.